Type 3 factorization. Today we will do some more examples of it. Okay, so before starting it, you must remember the basic formula. A plus B whole square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A minus B whole square equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Alright, in these questions, they will give us right hand side. We have to convert it into left hand side. Alright, so let's begin. Question is 4A square plus 120A plus 900. Solution. Before starting it, by using the using formula, you must know it. Can we take any common from here? Yes, I can take 4 as a common. What is left? 4 a square. 4 ones are 4. There's no need to write 1 here. Next, plus 4 3s are 12. 0 will remain same. In other words, 4 30s are 120a plus. Now solve it. 4 2s are 8. What is left? 1 1 0 10. 4 2s are 8. What left? 2 2 0 20. 4 5 are 20. You can do it separately. We can divide it separately to get your answer. I know this answer is 225. So 4 225s are 900. Alright. Now we will apply for formula on it. 4 will remain same. We make this right hand side like that according to this formula. What is a here? A whole square plus 2 of formula. What is a? Now if right now I have written here 15. If I don't know what is the square of 225, you can easily solve it by using the center figure is 30a. It means 2 15s are 30. You got it? I repeat, to make the formula, I need square of at b point, but I don't remember what is the square of 225. So you can know you can observe it. 30 means 2 15s are 30. So it must be 15 here. 15 square equals to 225. I have done it separately. 5 5 25, 5 2 are 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are plus 2 7 into 1 5 are 5 and 1 1 are 1. What is the answer? 225. So 225 is the square of 15. You got it? Now it become our right hand side. We have to convert it into left hand side. So it become a plus b. What is a here? A. What is b here? 15 plus whole square answer. 4 will remain same. I hope you understand that. I repeat. First of all, if there is need of taking common, then we take common. If there is no need to take common, we will not take common. Alright. Here we can easily take 4 as a common. So I take 4 as a common. A square plus 4 130s are 120. A will remain same. Plus 4 225s are 900. Okay. Now after doing this, I can easily make it on formula. A whole square plus 2 of formula A. And what is B? If I don't know what is the value of B square, so I can easily look at what is in the center, 30A. 2 15s are 30. Alright, 2 15s are 30. So it must be 15 whole square. Okay, now A plus B. What is B here? What is B here? 15. A plus B whole square answer. I hope you understand that. Now next question. 2 square minus 64. A plus 512. As you can see, we can easily take 2 as a common here. Solution. So I take 2 as a common. A square minus, not divided. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. What it becomes? 32a plus. Now again divide to 512 by 2. 2 2s are 4. What left? 1 1 1 11. 2 5s are 10. 1 what left? 1 1 12. 2 6 are 12. 56. You got it? If you don't understand if you don't get it, you can easily solve it like that. 512 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. Answer. You got it? Simple. Now we will apply the formula of here. A square plus 2ab plus b square. 2 will remain same. A whole square minus. Now again it's a 32 and 256. I don't remember what's the square of it. So I can easily solve it by looking at the center. 2 16s are 32. Okay. 2 16s are 32. 32a. So it must be 16 whole square. You got it? So what it becomes? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So it becomes left hand side a minus b whole square. So it become a minus 16 whole square. answer. Got it? These are very simple questions. You have to just analyze it. What to do first. If we can take common, we can easily take common. If there's no need to take common, you cannot take common. Okay. Now 1 minus 6 a square b square c plus 9a 4b 4c square. It's simple. Can I take any common here? No, because I cannot take any common here. So common means three terms, the number which is common in between three terms, 1, 2, 3 terms, not two terms. Okay. Now I apply the formula. It's a minus here sign. It means it must be a minus b whole square. Okay. So 1 square minus 2 of formula. 2 of formula. 2. What is a here? 1. What is b here? If I don't know, I can easily add it. I need 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now 6a square b square c. You will write all the variables a square b square c. You got it? Multiply it to the 6a square b square c. It's a check. Now next, what will be the b square? This one 3a square b square c square whole square is a b part. If you open it, what it becomes 9a4 b4 c square. You got it? I can easily solve it. So it becomes left hand side. Now I will make it right hand side. A minus b whole square. So what is the answer? A1. What is a here? 1. What is b here? 3a square b square c square. Answer. You got it? 3a square b square. Not c square. It's a c. Sorry. It's a c. C whole square. Answer. 2 3a square b square c. Answer. We will further do type 3 factorization examples in next session. So stay tuned with me. Thank you. Do comments to and ask questions if you like, if you understand it or not, and if, what kind of problems you are facing. Please do comments. I will help you out. Till then, bye.